Okay, let's go.
Joseph here, back with another video for you guys. We have an absolute banger for you guys. Now, I want to go ahead and introduce my guy Rick here, Rick B. With go ahead and shout out your company name.
Blue Ball Enterprises.
Awesome. We're here in St. Cloud. He got this beautiful standing and ceiling job that we're going to be taking care of, and there's going to be a lot of content for you guys. Hopefully Rick here is going to be showing us some tips and tricks that are going to be, for only you guys. But, take a look at the pavers that we got going on here.
Sandblasted marble. We're going to clean it first with a good degreaser, and then after we clean it, we're going to power wash it. And then after we power wash it, we're going to let it get completely dry, all the joints completely dry. It might take a day. And then we're going to put polymeric sand in all the joints. And then after that polymeric sand has been applied, then we will follow that up with a good, high quality sealer.
Let's do it. So stay tuned for the video. Once again, it's something you don't want to miss. Take a look at this view. If you don't want to see the pavers get done, just sit there and just look at the view, okay? While we get the job done. So let's go. Obviously, it's important to move the furniture when you're working. Rick already's getting it done. How you feeling, Rick? This looks pretty sweet. Smells awesome.
Yeah,
How important you think it is to prep these pavers?
that's critical. Because if you don't properly prep it, then the seal is not going to bind. You're not going to have a
Good
good
point.
foundation for the sealer. So you want a good, clean foundation for the sealer to adhere to, and that's going to give you a lot more longevity.
Absolutely.
We got everything scrubbed down with a good heavy duty degreaser cleaner.
Nice.
Scrubbed it then with a power washer. Now we're just going to let it dry overnight. Probably blow it off in the morning if there's still any moisture.
Absolutely.
And then we're going to sand it and seal it tomorrow.
Day one complete. I want to go ahead and thank Jobber for helping me keep my clientele organized and also keep my customers up to date. We have the health of our business, like all that stuff matters, right? Don't wait on it. Don't be a solopreneur. Get some help. Click the link down below for a free 14-day trial and also 20% off your first 6 months. Let's go. All right, guys. Today is day 3 of the sanding and sealing job. You've seen Jordan here, day 2, getting all that sand in yesterday. First day we did the prepping and cleaning. I got Rick there is just knocking this out. All right, so biggest thing is moving the furniture and all that stuff. As you see, they have a lot of furniture. But I mean, take a look at how the sand went in, but also he did some part of the sealer. And we're gonna talk about that today. And we're gonna go ahead and seal half the pool deck. So stay tuned for that. Hope you guys are learning. And if you have any questions, just drop them down in the comment below. Let's go. So right here you can see sealed and not sealed. And you can honestly see the difference on that. Just look how darker those darker colors are versus over here on the right side. Actually, if I take you over here, you can see exactly where he stopped. See that right there? So this product seems to be really good. Get it off Amazon. I've never seen it before, but I mean, it seems to be working pretty well. All right, Rick, laying down that sealer. I mean, look at that right there. Holy, I can see that. that, guys. All right, guys, so you're already seen half of that pool deck got sealed and sanded, and it looks beautiful compared to the other half. So today's day 3. Looks like we're gonna be needing a little bit of sealer, so we'll be back next week. Rick is taking care of that. One thing I want to say is we're in Florida, the state of Florida. It's about, feels like 99 degrees out here, but it probably ain't. But at the same time, you know, we're out here sweating, doing what we have to do. And Rick here, how long have you been doing this?
About 20 years.
20 years. And you know how old I am? 22 years old. So I've been doing this, you know, since I was 2 years old, right? And at the end of the day, you know, I'm pretty sure you find no excuses to get it done. I mean, look at the vehicle here. You don't need a truck. You don't need a $20,000 setup, right, to do a job like this. Take a look at the beautiful home. And, you know, it's all about consistency, persistence, and, you know, just believing, right? Believing in yourself that you can do it. And, you know, he's 76 years old, if I'm not mistaken. And, you know, I want to be 76 years old, moving and jumping like him, right? So hopefully you guys get a little bit of motivation from this, because like I said, there's no excuses, man. So get out there, do what you got to do, and we'll stay tuned for day 4.
Amen.
Let's go. All right, Rick, good morning. How you feeling?
Morning. Feeling good.
Awesome.
Ready to wrap this job up. We just sealed the fire feature here behind me,
Nice.
or beside me, the one in back of the spa. Just finished this. Our next step is to go ahead and seal this section of the deck here.
So now basically after 15-20 minutes, you let this dry. Well, not really dry, you don't want to dry, but you let it sit for about 15-20 minutes, and then you wipe it off. All right, guys, so that is the end of the video today. Hopefully you guys learned something and seen the beautiful before and after on this sandblasted marble. Now, this is a first for me. I'm sure you've probably done something like this in the past, but I mean, you take a look at that view and it makes a huge difference, right? So this is the part of investing in your home, taking care of your property, and calling people like us to help you out, right? Appreciate the offer and being a part of something beautiful like this, and hopefully we brought some good value to you.
Yeah, Joe.
And
Great having you, assist me with this.
yes, sir. If you have any questions or comments, concerns, tips, whatever, drop them down in the comments. And Rick, what's the name of your business again?
Really just my name.
Hey, Rick.
Rick Blueball.
There you go, Rick Blueball.
Yeah.
He's out here putting in that work. 76 years old. There's no excuse out here why you guys are not out here doing it, right? So don't be afraid to give us a shout. We're in St. Cloud, Florida. Rick Blueball, and we do it for you, pressure washing. Let's go.
There.